Hey folks, it's Simon here with your Tau Daily for the 21st of October 2024. With the presidential election just 2 weeks away, there's a lot of focus on who's going to win, what are the betting markets saying, what are the polls saying, what's the stock market saying is another clue that we can use. Now, prediction markets have swung decisively in favour of Trump in the past 3 weeks. So two of the markets that are most often quoted are PredictIt, which has got Trump at 56, Kamala Harris at 49. Polymarket has got Trump at almost 61% and Harris at 39. So, prediction markets are one thing. Polls, however, are still pretty much neck and neck. All right. So, can the stock market split the decision? Well, under a Trump presidency, the sectors that are thought of most likely benefiting would be things like defence. All right. It's likely to thrive due to Trump's favourable spending policies in this area. So what's happening to defence stocks? Well, if you look at ITA, the Aerospace and Defence ETF, it's at all-time highs. What about financials, which are expected to benefit from deregulation? Well, financials are all-time highs as well. What about domestic manufacturing? Okay, so Trump's more protectionist stance on trade and a potential 15% corporate tax rate for domestic manufacturing could boost that sector. The closest proxy we've got is the industrials, and they're also trading at all-time highs. Trump is also seen as a more crypto-friendly candidate, and it looks as though Bitcoin is breaking out of a multi-month downtrend here. All right, so the market seems to be moving to discount a Trump presidency. The sectors that are reported or thought to win under a Harris presidency would be things like green energy, which is kind of not looking that great. Technology, which doesn't look too bad, but it's certainly lagging the broader market. Healthcare was a bit of a mixed bag. Certainly healthcare providers and managed care organisations might benefit from increased government spending there, but there could be curbs on pharmaceutical price gouging. But, healthcare's kind of rolled over here. So it does look as though markets have priced in a Trump victory at this point. But all of this comes with a significant warning, and that is if you cast your memory back to the 3rd of November 2020, all right, everybody knew that under a Biden presidency, clean energy was going to be a sector that was going to benefit massively at the expense of hydrocarbon producers. So what happened? Well, if we go all the way back to the date of the last election, let's just bring that up. So 2020, 11/03. Let's just make this a line chart for easier comparison, and then let's add in ICLN. And what we can see is that the energy sector since that date, hang on, it looks like the dates are a bit mixed up there. Let's just re-put in the numbers. Okay, so the energy sector's up 205%, all right, since the last election. And let's just have a look at clean energy. It's down about 30%, all right? So even though everybody knew a Biden presidency was going to be good for clean energy stocks have underperformed traditional energy stocks by 230%. And the lesson from this is that market cycles have a way more impact on markets than whoever's sitting in the White House. That's what I got for you. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Thank you.